Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be telling you how you can check the screen time on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone. What you need to do here is go to the setting button here. Just go over here and then scroll down. Then you need to go into the screen time option, which is displayed over here. Tap on it, and after you going to the screen time, it will display all the information which you are looking forward. It will show you your daily average. Just go over here, tap on the see all apps and website activity. Once you log into it, it will tell you individually which app is consuming how much of your time. Like for Instagram, 1 hour 41 minutes, it will show you individually, and also it will show you like for the day and for the overall week average from here. Okay, you can check it over, and you can adjust your screen time or habits accordingly, and that's how you can check your screen time and downtime, app limits, and you can check everything from here what you need to access your habits. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any other question, just let me know. Until next video, bye bye.